This is a hobby video for all ages. I take no claims to any and all trademark and copywritten content. Shortly after Kamen Rider Geats obtained his final form, a new type of Yamato was at large. Tiny, parasitic Yamato that can turn humans into normal-sized Yamato. Humans infected by only one tiny Yamato can be easily saved. Humans infected by a swarm of them, not so much. Not knowing anything about the swarm version, Buffa was fighting what he thought was a human infected by only one tiny Yamato. In truth, Buffa struck a final attack on the first human to be infected by a swarm. And it wasn't just any human. It was the older sister of Kamen Rider Tycoon, who sadly perished in his arms. Stricken with grief and a desire for revenge, Tycoon obtained a new raise buckle that would change him into his final form. The Bujin Sword Buckle. It didn't matter to Tycoon that Buffa didn't know the Yamato he was fighting was his sister. He wanted revenge, and he was going to get it. With the new raise buckle in hand, he encountered Buffa and transformed into Kamen Rider Tycoon Bujin Sword! There was once a time when Buffa was far stronger than Tycoon. But with this new power and a thirst for revenge, Tycoon mopped the floor with Buffa, using finishing moves like this one. And this one. Tycoon had the perfect opportunity to kill Buffa, just as he killed his sister. But he didn't. He wanted Buffa to live as long as possible with the guilt for what he had done. During a battle against Kamen Rider Geats 9, Tycoon powered up his final form with two other raise buckles, taking on the forms Bujin Monster and Bujin boost. I am pleased to say that through a method too complicated to explain, Geats and his allies were able to bring Tycoon's sister back to life. Overjoyed by this, Tycoon vowed never to use his new power, or his old power, for revenge ever again. And that brings us to the end of this demonstration video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.